Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Google Maps and granting location permission. This lets the app show your position in real time. Once done, tap the blue dot to recenter and orient the map to your facing direction, which helps when walking or driving. Next, use the search bar. Type an address, business name, or coordinates, then press enter to display results. This first step gets you from zero to a focused map view so you can pick a destination and plan the next actions. After choosing a destination, tap directions and pick your transport mode. You will see multiple route options with estimated time and distance. Make adjustments. Add intermediate stops, set departure or arrival time, and toggle avoidances like tolls or highways to refine the suggested route. Use the route preview to scan each turn, switch to satellite or terrain layers for landmarks, and open Street View to verify building entrances. These middle steps let you customize the trip for speed, safety, or tap Start to begin voice-guided navigation. You should see the blue path and upcoming turn cards. Follow those prompts and lane guidance to avoid sudden maneuvers. If traffic or an unexpected closure appears, the app will suggest reroutes. Make sure to review alternatives and tap one to switch immediately. To finish, tap End Navigation when you arrive. If guidance falters, toggle your device location or restart the app, and if you expect poor service, download offline maps ahead of time to stay on course.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.